Hello everyone, welcome to the Stealing Insights YouTube channel. So I just quickly want to solve about a couple of two questions, one from JAMB and one. Now, an application of sort that has been taught in the past is this. In order for us to be able to solve this question, JAMB said this question in year 2000 in April JAMB question, which is 2 square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. So the first thing is for us to just do the rationalization of the sort. All they are telling you is to solve the question to arrive at this. Now, I said we always multiply by 1. The 1 is a conjugate value of the denominator in order to eliminate the sorts. So we're having root 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 2 root 2. Since this is a JAMB question, we're going to be solving it in a manner like we're in the JAMB class. So solving this question, you're having 2 root 3 times this will give you 2 times root 3 times root 3 will give you 6. 3 times 2 will give you 6. So we're having 6. Root 2 root 3 times 3 will be 2 root 3 times, what I'm saying is this, 2 root 3 times root 3. Okay, root 3 times root 3 will give you 3. And that 3 times 2 will give you 9. Now, this times this will be minus 2 root 3 times 2 root 2. This times this will give you minus root 2 times root 3. Okay, then this times this will also give you minus, will give you plus 4, because root 2 times root 2 will give you 2, then times this 2 will give you 4. Minus times minus will give you plus. By the time you have the denominator, I've established this before, I won't go over it in that manner. It's just for you to use this to arrive at your answer. Now, this will give you 6. This will give you 2 times 2, 4. This time this will give you root 6 minus 4 root 6. Then this will also give you minus root 6 plus 4 divided by this. Collecting these like terms, this is going to give us 3 minus 8. Then collecting these like terms, we're having 6 plus 4, that's 10. Remember, we have to leave our answer in that format. So 6 plus 4, that's 10. Minus 4 with 6, and this will give us minus 5 with 6. Then minus 5. So at this point, we can factorize out minus 5 because 5 is common and negative value is on the denominator side. So factorizing out minus 5 here, or preferably 5, you have 2 minus with 6 divided by minus 5. This cancel each other out. The answer becomes minus 2 with 6. By the time this negative sign affects in between there, then you have your answer to be minus 2 plus root 6. So our m from the question is minus 2. Our n equals 1. So the answer to the question is B. And the funny thing is, JAMB gave these options in that question. And you can see how confusing they intend to make this question look. They wrote A, 1 minus 2, B, minus 2, 1, C, 2 over 5, 1, D, 2, 3 over 5. They understand the fact that the answer is between these two, but because if you are not being careful with the way you relate with this negative sign, you can eventually assume the answer is this, because from here you may be thinking it is so, but this is the correct answer. M equals -2 and N equals 1. M equals -2 and N equals 1. So that's that about the question, the JAMB question. Now, just to lay hold upon WAEC question. This WAEC question is 2002 WAEC question. And the question goes thus: 3 root 12 plus 10 root 3 minus 6 root 3. So all you guys need to do is to bring about the rationalization of the surds to eliminate the square root at the bottom. So you're having 3 root 2 plus 10 root 3 minus 6 root 3 divided by 3. At this point, you can look for the LCM. That's 9 root 12 plus 30 root 3 minus 6 root 3. So before you collect like terms, you see that this is root 12. You can still simplify it further in order for you to arrive at that. That's going to be 9 4 times 3 plus 30 root 3 minus 6 root 3 divided by 3. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 root 3 plus 30 root 3 minus 6 root 3 divided by 3. So this is just a such straightforward thing. This plus this will give you 48. 48 minus 6 give you 42. That's 42 root 3 divided by 3. Then this will give you 14 root 3. So that's the answer to the question, 14 root 3. From the WAEC, the answer is C, 14 root 3. So in order to keep the video short, I'm going to stop here for now on this WAEC and JAMB series question with respect to surd. Thank you for joining the Stealing Insight, and bye-bye.